Hi and welcome to a new art journaling video. Today I am playing with the rubber dance butterfly trio and I am creating a lot of texture with the stamps and stenciling on the background. I start on a page that is already prepared with gesso. And I'm using one of the rubber dance round and circle stamps to create some basic texture on my background. Our newer stamps all will stick to an acrylic block without adding any kind of glue or foam. They have kind of a sticky back, and when you keep it clean, you can stick it to an acrylic block directly. And if it doesn't hold really well, you can try to wet the backside of the stamp just a little bit, and then it will hold on your acrylic block. I'm using a mandala stencil from Stamplorations and add some texture paste through it. I decide to go with acrylic inks today, and I use different ones. I have one from Schmincke and also one from Amsterdam. I've added some golden splatters to my page by using the gold acrylic paint with a little bit of water, and now I'm adding a little bit of gold to the edges with my finger. To make the stencil image a little bit more pop, I'm using the stencil again and stamp the rubber dance Artifine text onto the stencil, so I have the text only on the raised areas of the mandala. For a little bit more texture on the background, I'm using the bubble stamp from Rubber Dance. It comes as a single stamp and also with the round and circle stamp set. My focal point will be the big butterfly from the Butterfly Trio stamp set. I've colored them in with watercolors, and I'm using a little bit of gold thread to put it under my big butterfly. I'm using the Prima Micro Beads to create even more texture on my page. To finish everything up, I'm adding a sticker from Tim Holtz. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. See us next time. Bye!